The flame, with temperature of over 1300 degrees centigrade, hits a special thin plate called as PCI heat transmitting plate of 2.5 mm thick and made of aluminum. The steel plate burns red. The copper bars are melted, but the PCI aluminum plates keep intact. Such highly intense heat transmission is completed by just an aluminum plate of 2.5 mm thick. It is the incredible heat transmission with phase change inhibited PCI heat transfer technology. Zhejiang Jiaxi Photoelectricity Equipment Manufacturing Company Limited is a joint venture enterprise of Hong Kong, Thailand, and China, located in Linhu New District of Jiaxi County in Zhejiang Province. The location stands in Yangtze Delta Economic Center, connecting with Shanghai, Jiaxi, and Hangzhou, having the perfect geographical condition. The registered capital reaches to 50 million RMB. The total investment is 100 million RMB. The company is a technological enterprise with the integration of research, development, and production of heat radiation products and the sale of high-tech photoelectricity products. Technological support. The company has a research and development center with a team consisting of over 20 research people led by experts in the area. The center focuses on technical research and development with PCI heat transfer technology as the leading technology. PCI heat transfer technology has a wide application in spaceflight, military, industry, machinery, and other industries, which need excellent heat radiation performance. At present, the technology has been successfully applied in high-power LED lighting, solar heat collector, LCD TV, and other industries. The company has cooperation with Chinese Academy of Science, Shanghai Jiaotong University, and other research institutions, acquiring a number of related achievements. After experiments and production practice for almost a decade, PCI heat transfer technology and its associated devices become mature. The company possesses entire intellectual property rights. The thin aluminum PCI heat transmission plate have been massively manufactured and applied in LED lighting, solar heat collector, heat radiators in house heating, and other areas till now. Meanwhile, its application is extending to high-power microprocessor heat radiation, LCD TV, TEC, IGBT, and cooling in various electronic equipments. Owing to the exquisite technology development and high-quality production for years, the company gets the reward of Technological Medal as Small-Scale Enterprise in Zhejiang, and has declarations of 15 provincial new products. Among them, 12 have been approved till now. Besides, the company has 2 patent inventions, 8 patents for utility models, and 3 patents for appearance. Some lamps have entered in the list of energy conservation products of Zhejiang. The company has the operation philosophy of Technology Center, market orientation, quality priority, environment production, and high-end positioning, providing high-quality products and thorough service for the customers. The company implements ISO 9001 management. Production level. The production process mainly includes heat transmission device manufacturing, working media fitting, and detection procedures, as well as lamp assembly, aging tests, packaging. At present, PCI heat transmission device has been in massive manufacturing. The Jiaxi high-efficiency heat radiation LED road lamps have been passed a stringent test of National Lamps Quality Supervision and Detection Center, and of the Detection Laboratory of Shanghai Semiconductor Lighting Engineering and Technological Research Center. The detection results are only 0.2% lighting decline after 3,000 hours usage, and the heat flux of the device reaches about 200 Watt per square centimeters, with the temperature difference of about 10 centigrade, which far exceeds other similar products. It is first created in the world. The relevant products have been approved by European Union CE certification and Japanese PSE certification. Sales performance. Based on the lighting energy saving reform projects under the Contract Energy Management Modes implemented by China Aviation Industry Group, the LED lamps manufactured by the company spread to many corners of the country. Since the company establishment, various LED lamp production totals 100,000. Among them, 40,000 are high-power LED outdoor lamps. These lamps have been sold to Fuzhou in Fujian, Hangzhou, Lishui and Jiaxi in Zhejiang, Huai'an in Jiangsu, Luoyang in Henan, Liuzhou in Guangxi, Dongguan in Guangdong, Thailand, Malaysia. The evaluation from clients for the lamp's operation is fine. Development prospect. While enhancing the industrialization of PCI heat transfer technology in LED lighting area, we are extending its application to the heat radiation in LCD TV, TEC, IGBT, and other high-power electronic equipments. Finally, realizing the comprehensive application of PCI heat transfer technology in much more heat transmission areas. Area is limited, but technology is borderless. Jiaxi Photoelectricity Equipment Manufacturing Company serves the society, making China flaring.